Hello there, my name's George. I own and operate Coatings by the Bay. We are based in Kaukauna and serve the Appleton, De Pere, and Green Bay areas as well. We exclusively install and maintain professional grade ceramic coatings, and today I had the pleasure of coating a 2024 Silver Tesla Model Y. What a beautiful vehicle. The paint did 90% of the work for me, so I can't take too much credit. But we did apply ceramic coating to the full exterior, so this will include rims, glass, trim, plastics, badges, literally everything except the rubber. We have one standard price for all personal sized vehicles, nothing hidden. We charge $9.95, which includes a full exterior detail, a polish applied to the paint to add a little shine and remove very light micro marring, panel prep, which allows for a clean surface prior to installation of the ceramic coating, and then we apply a 5-year coating to the paint. There are a couple optional upgrades. As I mentioned, this was a full exterior. You can also upgrade to an 8-year coating or add a full interior coating. All of our prices are plainly listed on our website. So if you're in the market for a new car or recently bought a new car or you have a luxury vehicle, we'd love to take care of you. You are welcome to text me for a quote at 920-659-0023 or visit our website. Have a great day.